it's PattyKakes. Welcome back to my channel. A carrot cake is one of the easiest cakes to make. Let me show you how. First, you'll begin with mixing your dry ingredients, your flour, salt, baking powder, baking soda, nutmeg, ginger, and cinnamon. Mix it and set it to the side. Now we'll mix the wet ingredients. Sugar, brown sugar, carrots, eggs, oil, applesauce, sour cream, vanilla flavor, toasted walnuts. Give it a good mix. Mix your dry with your wet. Give it a good mix. Get 3 8-inch pans greased with parchment paper. Once your pans are filled evenly, put them in the oven on 350 for 25 minutes. While the cake is baking, I'm going to make my icing. Cream cheese, butter. After mixing for about 5 minutes, start adding your powdered sugar. After 5 minutes of mixing, fold in about a tablespoon of vanilla flavor. After 25 minutes, when your cakes come out of the oven, put them on a cooling rack and allow them to cool at least 3 hours or overnight. Now that my cake has cooled, I'm gonna ice.